And boom guys, look at my gems and coins, it's actually generating. Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited gems and coins for cooking favor, absolutely free, safe and online guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called Zaptwix. So just type in search cooking favor and you will find the online tool. Click there guys and just click install now. So it's the best method. I test this many times and it works amazing guys. So I don't know how long this site will be working, so just go to the zaptwig.com and get fast your gems and coins. So okay, so now this step is to manual verification. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags guys. So let's see together. We still redirecting. Verification complete guys. So thank you for this. The next step, check your home screen. The app icon will be appears shortly. So let me check my screen. Okay guys, as you can see I have this icon, so let me open and let's see the game. Okay, and boom guys, look at my gems and coins, it's actually generating. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.